Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a tool gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this 3-tier stacking toolbox that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. Guys, this here thing here was super easy to get set up. It literally came out of the box, almost like you see it. The casters were inside of one of the toolboxes. They give you 4 screws and a wrench. Simply attach your casters to your base and it's all ready to go. All right, guys, so 3 toolboxes here, large, medium, small. They have metal clasps on there to keep your contents safe and secure. They lock very positively. They've got, each one of the boxes has a lock hole on it. So you got lock hole on the small, medium, and large boxes. You got nice, big, comfortable handles to hold on to there. They stack together with these here clamps on the side. So basically you pop that off, pop this off, and you can take off your boxes. That's true all the way down, basically. Even down to the very last one. You can take this here off of the base and just have the toolboxes by themselves. Reverse that to put them all back together. Now, while I'm putting this back together, I want to give you guys an idea of what you can possibly put inside of them, right? So in this large box here, they come with a tray. As you can see, I've got some ratchets on there and some sockets. And down below, this is the deep one. I've got some air tools down up in there, right? So whatever type of tools or devices or whatever you may want to put in there, this is your deep box. In your medium box, in this one here, I've got another tray. I've got some screwdrivers and some wire pliers or whatever, some side cutters on here, and then down inside, I've got a hammer and a C-clamp, right? So this one here is definitely sufficient for some power tools or whatever as well. This one here also comes with the tray. Unlock this here in. And then the small box, unlock that in, lock that in. And then the small box here, small box doesn't have a tray, but as you can see, I've got some, this here is the tap and die set, some safety glasses, some gloves. They give you this here nut box here, nut holder, and then you can see I've also got an OBD2 sensor up in here. Now, and lock that all down. So, and as you can see, the wheels are very smooth. They even have locks on there, so you got locks if you want to lock this in place so it doesn't move on you. Guys, this here is a really nice 3-tier toolbox set. If you guys are looking for some boxes to organize your tools and stuff in your garage, I highly recommend the set here. I hope this helps.